I'm gonna be open-minded, alright? Because I just saw something back there I don't want to see it in. And yeah. Next time I'm gonna be more prepared and come with my sister and her boyfriend. I actually felt nice with it standing. I don't know. But, like, I'm a big dude, but I'm only 5'8" and stuff. And so, whatever I did to that mosquito, not mosquito, bear, or what it is, whatever it is crazy. I thought I heard a noise over there. But yeah, I think we turned right up there. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go over that side too for a little while. But yeah, I'm gonna turn this way. But make sure to like and subscribe. I've never been over this side. Over this side. I thought I heard a yowling, like, noise over there. So I'm not going over there. Or over there. I'm going back. And all that. But it was crazy. That there was like I'm probably hearing stuff around me because it's mosquitoes that I thought I just heard running right back there. All that. Mosquitoes are always around. No, that mosquito spray, soon, bed spray. Oh, look at that. No. Yeah, I gotta go back because it's raining and it's crazy out here with birds. Next time I'm gonna come out here again with bed spray. That one. Dang mosquitoes can't get good foods. But yeah, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, because I'm probably gonna do this again with family. And this time with protection. Next time, whoa, almost trip. Oh, what is this? That just looks like a toe. I hope mine is itchy because of the mosquitoes. I'm not going back inside. So yeah, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Alright, guys? Nothing here. I thought I heard a noise over there and then someone talking, but I don't know what it was. We have neighbors over there, over this way. We're not neighbors over there or over there. So I don't know what was that all the time. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and like, and see you next one. Bye-bye.